Talking about KKE Chemicals Private Limited, we are a company who has been into car care since the last 20 years. And for us, it's been all about cars since when we have started. The founder of the company was an ex-Air Force who retired, who took a voluntary retirement out of his passion for engineering and came up with the idea of starting an automatic car wash system unit right in India. And by manufacturing them, designing them, and starting the manufacturing, which was actually supplied all over the globe after that. Then coming to car care, we initially then got into car care chemicals because we found that there was not just car care equipments that were actually in the picture, but also the car care chemicals, which contributed a lot to the car care. And since the last 4 years, we have gotten deeply into it, and we came up with a range of KKE chemicals, which is a range right from for the interior and the exterior parts of the cars, for polishing, for small intricate things which we found were missing in the market. So we came up with options which were just not limited to the regular cleaning chemicals or regular things which were in the market, but something which is required in the market as of now. So with a new trend, we have a lot of different trends going on in the market. The recent one is with the scarcity of water in all over the world. The new trend now is a waterless car wash, which has recently come in. So talking about waterless car wash, we came up with a product called dry wash because we realized that there was a major scarcity for products which could actually do dry wash or waterless car wash with the kind of conditions which are present, especially in the metro regions where the car cleaning is a must, but there is a major water shortage. So we came up with something called dry wash, which is one of our KKE Plus series range, and it's a product which is meant for simple spray which could be actually done on the vehicles. It has a lot of cleaning properties because of which the cleaning part of the car is also handled. There are things where the ultimate finish of the car also comes through when you basically just go through the whole process of wiping the car with a microfiber and the dry wash together. We definitely have more chemicals like all-purpose cleaner, which could take care of the bigger stains, the bigger part which cannot be handled by a simple dry washer, but something which could maintain the part where your hygiene levels in your parking lots can be maintained, and also the car remains clean. So that was one of our key products that we came up with. Then we saw that the professional car care people would require a concentrate because they require large quantities. So we have recently come up with a waterless car wash concentrate that can cater to the waterless car wash market, which is the thing which we basically would promote to a lot of level because of its environmental things. Apart from just talking about environment, we have chemicals which are all biodegradable and eco-friendly, where we make sure that all the chemical inputs that we are using in our chemicals are all going down into the soil and decomposing pretty soon, so that we're not spoiling the soil just because we want our car clean. Because there are a lot of organisms living right there and they want to live as well. So we came up with that. So now recently we've come up with few more products. We've come up with a brake dust remover, tar remover. Brake dust is already out, tar remover is still in process. We are working on the new kind of paint technologies which could make it a little, make the car finish much better than what it is, not exactly paints, working on basically coatings which could be used on the paints for correction. But we have a constant research going on in paint correction because there are a lot of different things apart from the present compounds that can be done on to protect a car coating. So there's a constant R&D going on in the background, and the driven part is that one, for us, environment is something which is very close to us. So we keep that in mind and the car care product results in mind. So I hope it joins their ways soon, very soon, and it gets to a different level then.
Exhibition experience?
The exhibition, we found a lot, like it feels good to see so many people talking about cleanliness, especially in India, because we have, that is something which was already quite an ignored part. with Swachh Bharat coming in, it was one relief, and now with such kind of exhibitions, it's another relief because there are a lot of different things which could actually be introduced into the market, and where people are getting pulled in. We got a lot of people who were interested in the products. We got a lot of people who have gotten that awareness to come up and start talking about cleanliness and car care and hygiene to that level. So it feels good that we are participating in something like this. Okay, thank you.